Hey, thanks for tuning in to the 5Able channel. Please hit like and subscribe. It helps a lot. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the hood lift supports on a 2002 Lexus LX470. The procedure should be the same on similar year Toyota Landcruisers. The part I'm going to use is the A Premium hood lift support I got off Amazon. The struts I bought were in the $25 range. The only tool you should need is a 12mm combination wrench. See, it won't stay up. If your hood can't stay up on its own, be sure to use something like a stick in a secure location to hold the hood up. The hood's really heavy. Once you get a stick in place, it should be relatively safe to work. Keep in mind this stick could fail. Any repair you do is at your own risk. These supports come with the shock part mounted to the hood and the strut part mounted to the body. Make sure you get this the same way on both sides. Fat part at the top. This is the way they're installed at the factory. Once you get the hood open, take your 12mm wrench and loosen the strut. It's threaded into the body. It's not very tight at all. You can do the top too. If you remove the top first, it'll give you a little more room to work on the bottom one. Make it a little bit easier. This repair is for the strut that has the mounting bolt as part of the head assembly. This thing's offering zero support. When you get these, check and make sure that the mount is screwed down all the way. This one was a little loose because these ends are removable. This one has a few threads exposed, so go ahead and tighten it up. Remember, the skinny end, the shaft side, not the shock side, goes against the body. And we'll install it first because it's a lot easier to get to it when you can do this. Don't worry about getting it too tight. Good and snug will do. If you can't get this to line up when you come to the top, just rotate it until it lines up. Now if your stick is too short, you're going to have to hold this up, and this is where it comes in handy to have a helper. Do you hear that? I just lifted the hood and the stick fell out. Make sure you start the threads by hand so they don't get cross-threaded, and then lift the hood up a little bit if it's not going in easily. This would definitely be easier if I had somebody to hold on to the hood. Nice and snug. All right, we're halfway done. Remember, take off the top one first. If you need to lift the hood up to take some stress off the threads, that's okay. Okay, so I had to replace my stick because apparently this support is actually doing a little bit of work. Now we'll take off the end that's attached to the body. And remember, skinny side to the body. Make sure the attachments on the ends are tight. Alright, and now we'll install this end to the hood. Just get it snug. Let's see how it works. Looks like it's working great. Thanks for watching the 5Able channel. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. 0101 1010.